is fucking bad!
Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will talk about the node properties. A node has two kinds of properties, input and output properties. The ports of the input properties are on the left side and the ports of the output properties are on the right side. You can only connect an output port to an input port. If an input property is connected to another node, they receive the data from that other node, like the text from the text node to the create message node. Some properties have the possibility to enter a value in the node itself when they are not connected to another node. Like the text property from the create message, when I disconnect it, here is a container where you can enter the text for it, hello world. This value will now be used as a property value. Some properties, if they are not connected to a node, contain also default values. Like the finished message, there's a default value of false. You can switch to true and it will be set. Output properties are used to send data to other nodes. You have properties that send data generated by the node itself, like the message ID. And you have also properties where you can enter the values in the node itself, like the text in a text node. Each property is of a certain type. You can only connect properties from two nodes if they are from the same type, like the text is a string to the other text, also a string. There are three basic types: strings for character values, the red ports; numbers for numeric values, the blue ports; and booleans for true and false values, the green ports. And there are also some advanced properties. There are array types, the light blue ports. These are a list of values of a certain type, for example a list of strings or a list of objects. Each entry of the list has also their own port. You can use that to connect to another port. Object types, these represent the container with property value pairs. The purple ports. In each object you can create your own key value pair. Each property of the object has also their own port. You can use that to connect it to another node. There are also enum types. These are a set of named values. A yellow port. Here you can create them and then use them as a drop down with the possible values. And we have the stream property, the orange port. These are used to stream a data flow from one node to another. This is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Until next time.
This is fucking bad!